Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. I worked there a decade, and me and my M&M man give you a thumbs up for listening to my videos today, my YouTubes. My YouTube content comes from you all asking questions in the comment section. As a former agent, I kind of unpeel the curtain back so you can ask questions and hear truthful answers, not guesses, about how the IRS works and how the IRS operates. That's what it's about, so I love to give you that information. Today I want to talk to you about IRS levies, IRS bank levies and wage garnishments. And I want to talk to you specifically about when will IRS start that levy process or garnishment process. There seems to be a lot of questions from people about when they can do that. So the answer is really simple. IRS can do that once, on two occasions really. Once IRS sends you a final notice in demand, or you tell IRS you can't pay the debt. Once IRS sends you out your final letter, which is usually an LT90 or a 1058 letter, and you don't respond to that letter, you've lost your appeal right, and they've issued you a final notice in demand, generally without 60 days after that. IRS is going to send a bank levy or wage garnishment levy to you. You may want to ask, where are they going to send that bank levy to or wage garnishment levy to? Where are they going to send that to? They're going to send it to your last probably couple employers, and I'm going to write that down, where to send levies. How will IRS do that? So on the Irs Tax Transcript, you can get this yourself. Go to irs.gov, ask for IRS wage and income transcripts, and IRS will show you all their levy sources that they have. They'll tell you where you banked at and who you worked at the last 6 years, and that's who will send their levy sources to. By the way, a bank levy is a 21-day hold and 21-day freeze on the account. Wage garnishment levy is 668W, is immediate. So when IRS gives you that final notice in demand and sends you those letters, then IRS will go ahead. They have to. And by the way, I forgot to mention, not a human hand touches these levies. They're all sent out by the giant K2 computer system. They just manually send them out. Will IRS send both wage and bank together? Not really. They're all sent out at the service center, their work there. How do you stop these? More importantly, how do you stop the levy? You just call IRS and say, hey, if it's a small case, do it yourself. If it's a large case, you need to call us or someone else. You can stop the levy simply by calling IRS with an exit strategy. What's our exit strategies? Let IRS know you want to go into a currently non-collectible, or you want to get a payment program. But you have to know that before you call them. That's why you do need a professional. If you're broke and have a small debt, call them yourself. You're not going to get in trouble. And anyway, if you like what I'm telling you, please give me a like. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to me. And if you leave a comment and you have a question, all my YouTube content comes from the questions you ask. So thank you very much. I really appreciate you